Leftovers on the counter. Pigs at the television.
Hello and welcome to Bate Bay Road, Cronulla.
Full of flowers. Bathtub soaking the dishes. Got a couch in the den, but we all just hang in the kitchen. Pilates in the guest room.
How about entertaining your friends and family on this oversized entertaining level? You got your covered outdoor balcony that seamlessly flows to your living space, and what I love most about this stone kitchen, you've got gas cooking and flows all the way through to your butler's pantry.
This is so much better than living in an apartment. You've got lift access to all 3 levels, meaning you'll never need the stairs. You could even live here forever.
There's a garden in the backyard, and I like picking the basil. There's a shindig in the kitchen with all of my favorite people. We got a full house, but there's always room at the table.
And imagine if this was the way you could do your surf check because you're literally that close to the beach. So it looks like GREENHILLS might be the go. And I even love that you could put the wetsuit on in the garage and then just run up the hill, go for a quick surf.
Feels like family. There's a garden in the backyard, and I
Or if the wind's up, you can always just head down to Cronulla Golf Course for a quick hit of 9 holes.
with all of my favorite people. We got a full house, but there's always room at the table.
Downstairs, you've got this fantastic, spacious retreat where you can sit down, grab a drink, watch some telly, and watch the kids in the pool.
Feels like family. And I know you.
Is this the one you've been waiting for?
Feeling